Gareth Soloway of InTheMoneyStocks.com has long predicted that the value of Bitcoin will fall below $20,000, and it recently did so. In today's video, Soloway shares the resources he uses to forecast the price decline and his predictions for the future direction of Bitcoin. But before we begin, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates on Bitcoin topics. Soloway noticed that historically, people become overconfident in anything, and he has experienced the tech bubble with the dot-coms. He began to see the pattern emerge, and that is when everyone exhibits the loud, crazy, overly optimistic bullishness. It usually occurs near the end of a run, and what he observed in the case of Bitcoin was that it formed a double top and that the crypto sector was surrounded by a kind of craziness. He stated, and I quote, "We had meme coins that were created as jokes. These are multi-billion-dollar market caps, and you had thousands upon thousands of cryptocurrencies with very little use case." He can tell that there were many dot-coms during his early career by looking at them. But after their stock rose, and the majority of them went out of business, he claimed that the depiction of what was occurring there was very similar. He found this to be something that sort of stood out. Soloway examined the earlier peak from April 2021. He took note of several things, including how it opened above and closed above the level. Then it immediately entered again, and later on it attempted to break up again, but failed. One needs to be a trader, according to Soloway, a person who takes a step back and asks, "Wait a second, what's going on here? Why, after we had already fallen from those highs, does it continue to fall below that level into February of this year?" He said that the overwhelming number of Super Bowl advertisements was his main complaint. It is because he is discussing cryptocurrency advertisements. It was known as the dot-com Super Bowl in 2000, when there was a ton of dot-com commercials, and we all knew what would happen next. Additionally, Soloway noted that the crypto market's parallels to the dot-com era's hype and general craziness were just too strong to ignore. Since there are 4-year cycles in Bitcoin, he does not want to deter too much. It shows an 80 to 85% correction, indicating that he was thinking, at the very least, of high point 2017, 20,000, and the present. He asserts that there are always opportunities and acknowledges that he was short at the highs and did not hold until the lows. He claims that he has frequently traded short and long positions in Bitcoin during bear markets. The biggest disadvantage of bear market, whether it be in stocks, commodities, or cryptocurrencies, according to him, is that it turns into a market more suited to traders rather than one can simply close their eyes, throw a dart at the dashboard, and profit. He made a point that there's no work to be done during a bull market. He needs to take it easy and profit. But the world's best traders really shine during bear markets. Consequently, a trader can go long and short at different points in order to profit in a bear market. It's a challenging environment to trade in, and in order to be safe, one must be able to read charts. He mentioned that there are definitely opportunities. Soloway explains his calculated action and claims that he frequently applies it to technical analysis. When referring to a swing trading concept, the term measured move refers to the presumption that the next leg of a chart pattern or trend will be roughly equal to the previous leg. Set profit objectives and estimate the size of the upcoming price swing using measured moves. In the event that it returns to at least 25 before subsequent leg down, Soloway hopes to make some money and will look to purchase around 12,000 as his next objective. The charts, which show the likelihood of a move, are what the best traders use to determine when to enter a trade. It doesn't really matter whether a trade is entered up or down, as long as it has a high probability of success. Gold has not been flashy, he claimed, because he just wants to be on the side with the best chance of success. Only a few percentage points have been gained by gold this year. However, traders wish they had been in gold since the start of the year at this point in comparison to the decline in cryptocurrency and the decline in the stock market. Soloway predicts that we will easily surpass the high of 2070 or 2075 over the next 6 to 12 months, and he predicts that 2,400 to 2,500 will be seen in a year. He genuinely believes that many fund managers underinvest in gold and that the market isn't producing the same returns that it once did. Both the stock market and cryptocurrency were mentioned. He predicted that as more money seeks the security of gold, the price of gold will rise as well. Thus, he still loves gold, and it's been a stabilizing force in the overall markets because of its lack of falling, while every other asset has declined. Well, what are your thoughts about Soloway's take on Bitcoin? Please tell us in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button to receive the latest updates on crypto content related videos.